I'm thinking of some easy steps to help prolong your blow dry over the summer. Definitely, first thing, start with a little phyto defrisant. This will help to repel humidity after you've blown it smooth. Day 2, add some curls, especially if you've slept on it and you feel like it's a little too much texture. You can see Sarah's hair has a little bit of flyaway on the edge, but once we curled it, it made it totally better and it blends in seamlessly. Then, on day 3, what you can do, separate the head in half like pigtails. Instead of braiding them, what you want to do is twist them. Take the dry hair at night before you go to bed, twist them like this, ponytail it at the end, and go to bed. The next day you get up, the hair will be more organized and you won't roll around on it on the pillowcase, therefore it all stays together. Twist it and go to sleep. Make sure the hair is dry when you do this, not wet. Let me know how it goes.